everyone, my name is Mars and today is another trash building video. This time, I'm gonna build a trash bin from trash, namely a magazine pages from the olden days using the paper weaving technique. Because my trash bin is actually just a paper bag, so I kinda wanna change it just because, I know I can buy just a new trash bin or something, but I like to build things. I like to try DIY stuff, so I want to try paper weaving, and it's better to try making bins and something like that, because it sounds fun, for me at least. So let's get on with this.
So here's some stacks of magazines from heaven knows how long ago. I'm not gonna use them all, of course. I'm just gonna grab one here. Also, oh my god, it's Shrek's kid. Is it really been that long? I wonder if kids these days are familiar with Shrek. Such a good movie. Oh, look at them, it's so cute! I just wanna pinch the cheeks. Well, we're picking this magazine. So let's rip up the pages in this magazine. Oh yeah! Wait, what am I thinking? I should just cut it with a utility knife. It's much faster. Jeez. Anyway, I have a lot of page here. 60 to be precise. So we're gonna fold it in half lengthwise and then fold it 2 more times until the paper looks like a strip. So let me just do that for the rest. So much folding later. Here are the strips. Well, they are a bit short on their own, which is why I have 60 strips. So what I'm gonna do here is glue 3 of it together like so. Poor brush is gonna be the sacrifice lamb. Why am I using the end of the handle? Whatever. The 3 strips seems to be a bit short, so I doubled the length to 6 strips. Oh yeah! Time to assemble them together. The one thing we need to remember in this is over and under, 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 until we have a mat of 6 by 6 strips. It looks a bit messy for now, but I will tidy this up and glue the ends so it won't come loose, and voila! This will be the base of the bin. I'm gonna draw some lines from the middle to another middle. Just watch what I'm doing. Wait, that doesn't seem like square. Of course, I drew the line in wrong spot. So typical of me. This should be the right line trajectory. Why did I draw these lines? I hear none of you ask. This is pretty much a guideline where I need to fold for the base. So we're gonna move on to the walls. Let's turn it over and start with the strips in the middle left and with them to the strips on the right side. Remembering the mantra, over and under, 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 over and under. I'm using a clothespin for marking, so the strips won't come loose. It actually looks like a jellyfish for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, over and under, 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 until we run out of strips. We're at the apex now. Some of the strips are too short to be weaved, and this is fairly tall already, so I'm folding the ends into each other to close them up. I'm cutting away the remaining strips and gluing them so they stay put. Lastly, I'm taping the ends so they stay put even further and give it a bit of durability so the paper won't rip.
Alright, and here is the finished product. I might have gotten a bit overboard with this because I thought that those long strips will just produce like up to here. I didn't expect it to be extremely tall, so I had an extremely tall trash bin, and I added like a plastic here so you can just replace the plastic, throw the trash and the plastic, and then replace it with another. That's what we usually do in trash bins, right? So yeah, I think it was fun. I'm surprised I didn't get confused in weaving all of this, so I'm pretty proud that I made this. It's really cool and a good way to recycle. I actually still have a lot of magazine pages here, but I don't think I'm gonna weave more bins like that. We'll see. I don't know. I probably might not film them, but here we are, and this is the trash bin. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!